Okay, everyone. As you can see, this package is pretty big, and yeah, you might be thinking this is a big phone line, but until you realize this is actually a phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6. If you're wondering why I bought this, is because if you're, I'm gonna go introduce my other one. Hold on, let me go get it out of the drawer. Alright, give me a second, guys. I'm just getting it out of my drawer. As you can see, here's this one right here, which is Google locked, and I cannot bypass it. So yeah, I'm literally covering the front. No, not the front. I'm covering the back. Yeah, it's because it has the seller and it has the seller and my information on the front, so I do not want to leak all of that to the camera. So yeah, I don't mind. So I'm not gonna let anyone do that. That's a lot of That's a lot of bubble wrap. So here it is. I'm gonna do this pretty quick. And yeah, I just got back from school, and yeah, here it is. Compared to this, you can tell these are two of them. So here, both of them. Here's both of them side to side. This one is Google locked, and I cannot bypass it. Even my dad tried helping me bypass the Google lock, but he tried as many times as possible, but it didn't work. Yeah, but thanks to my dad for trying to help me get the lock out of this tablet. And here's the new one. Let me turn this one on. This one might be unlocked. No, this one's on an older. This one's on a newer version. This one's on a little older version. So this one runs older than this one. This one runs a newer software, and this one runs an older one because this one right here. It definitely sounds like the, I don't know. Let me see how the Skyline sounds. Yep, it sounds like my S6. Here it is. This is the one that my... Alright, so here it is. Here's how it looks. Besides how kind of stupid the software is. This one, oh yeah, this one runs like the S6. Alright, so I'm gonna put this away. Alright, I put the Google locked one. So the Google locked one, if anyone wants to buy it for me, I don't know. I may be selling it soon. I may be selling all my Google locked ones. I'll decide whether to either destroy them or sell them. This one runs very well. Alright, let's test out the camera quality. Here's how it looks compared to mine. It's a little bit lower than this one, but either ways, this one is a little slower. So yeah, this one does not shake. So this one shakes a little more, and the one on the phone I'm recording on does not really shake that well. So this one, the camera runs much more well than this one. Either ways, it's in perfect condition. Don't mind my shoes there. And yep, this is what it looks like. Just give me a second. Here's a quick picture. God damn it, my fucking camera's not... I don't know, the camera's blurry. There we go. Much better. Here's how it looks. Alright, so... Alright, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and check the Android version it's running. Also, if you guys are wondering what this one is, It's called the Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6. The model number is the SM-T560NU. And software info, Android 6.0.1. I believe this runs Android. This one runs Android Marshmallow. So yep, this one has a little mini game. Am I able to pass it? Oh, I successfully passed the marshmallows. Eh, that's actually a pretty good score. I did pretty good after all, but yeah, very nice background. It looks in good cosmic condition, which is very good. It looks in good condition. Cosmic, I believe it's in good. That means it's probably in very great condition. So yeah. As you can tell, my this one runs on a Galaxy S6 software, and my other one that's Google locked runs on a Samsung Galaxy S7 software. So yeah, this one runs on an older version. The other one runs on a newer one. So me personally, I preferred this one because of how it looks and how it's on an older version. And this one only costed me like $32, so it was pretty. I don't know. The other one that I had was probably it was five either. I believe it was $5. The other one, this one was like 30. So this one's much better to use. So yeah, I'm glad this one works perfectly. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how it looks on the right side. On the left side, you got your micro SD card port. Whether you could put an 8 gigabyte size, the 16 or 32 gig SD card size. At the bottom, you have nothing besides the little microphone over there. So as you can tell, on the right side, you got your volume up and down keys and your power button. On the top, you got your 2.5 millimeter headphone jack and your proprietary USB charging port. It's pretty much original. It's mostly common for all devices. On the back, you got your, I don't know, 3.5 megapixel camera. I would have to go on Google to see. I don't know. On the back, and your back earpiece and the Samsung logo and the yep. And this is the information about the tablet, and this is the sticker to show the model. Focus, please. Thank you. And then on the front, you got your front facing camera, your Samsung logo on the top, your a menu, your menu key, and your home button, and your back key. And yep, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my daily videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Alright, see ya.